main thing is you want to make sure it's square. You don't want the hinge rotated this way or this way. Yeah, you want it kind of flushed out to the block. Flush out here, flush out here. You don't want the hinge to be rotated. No. If you look right here, you kind of see the hinge. You want to keep it parallel to the rail. You like to put a little piece of tape here. And what we're doing by this is we're checking to see if that new hinge is contacting the body. If it's going to contact the body, it's going to contact it right at this point. We've seen before where they do. And if they do, it makes the door hard to shut because it hits the body and it bounces off the body. Okay, now we got our tape on our jam right there. So we're going to go ahead and shut the door for the first time. And what we're looking for is the gap. This gap between the difference between the front and the back to try and keep them even. This one's got just a fat 1/4 of an inch there. And about a 1/4 inch there, which is pretty good. If you have too much difference on the gaps between the front one and the rear one, you can loosen the hinge up and slide it one way or the other, which will shift the door forward or back. What you're looking for is to try and keep them even. Now, the second thing we're going to look for is where we put that tape on. We're going to look to see if the hinge is contacting the body at that point. Okay, on this particular car, we shut the door. It has a small indentation in the tape, which is perfectly normal. It's due to the fact when you shut the door, this weather stripping compresses, and sometimes we'll see the hinge touch the tape. But normally when it's closed, it's not touching the tape. If you see a rip in the tape, or where it has hard contact, that could be a deviation in your body of your van. Some are shaped differently than others. And if that's the case, just feel free to call us and we can walk you through the proper steps to take care of that.